Stage 1. Establish a firm, knotted foundation at the end of a branch. Weavers are the only birds in the world known to tie knots. Stage 2. Tie on long streamers of grass or reed, ready to create the basic shape. Next, tie the streamers together to create a simple hoop. This snail is making solid progress. His structural hoop is complete. Now he builds up the walls, weaving the grasses in and around the main frame. The female casts a critical eye. The nest needs to protect future chicks from the rain that is coming. Small leaves are handy for filling gaps. His nifty beakwork catches the eye of the female. Or maybe she was checking out his neighbor. This male is already further up the property ladder. His dexterity demonstrates experience. Weavers actively learn how to improve their technique with each new nest they build. The neighbor has a nicer place now. But there's time. She's not moving in anywhere until she sees the finished pad.